because of your haircut. And then I said, maybe she's sitting on her break. And then when I came in, I was like, and then you was like, and then you were like,
no. Remember?
Okay.
You
Yeah,
did
nice
it
job.
the other time. Oh, hi guys.
How are you? We're doing burners today.
Oh, that is
I just bought a couple of burners
oh,
so she could see them. I just wrapped them up in here just so you can see them.
You're not shy of seeing it because she's got it on
Oh,
Facebook.
okay.
It's a burner.
I just showed them to you.
This is pink.
Hello. This is the yellow one. This is the orange. This is the orange
I
one.
like the orange. I like the orange.
But okay, orange, and then I have this one, and then this gray. Remember, I told you I don't have that many. So, and these are not the touch ones. You're gonna have to get tea light.
Tea light.
Yeah, like the
little candles, like.
Do you want these?
Okay, sure.
Okay. So tell me what you want, Christine, and then I can go make it up, and then I can bring it back.
Okay.
As far as the what you call it?
What was the
mango butter?
Yeah, mango.
Okay. I said the orange one. I just bought a couple of these for her, you know, but it could be. I'm thinking the orange one like $5. Yeah.
It's pretty.
Yeah, like $5 because, and then these right here, I think
Maybe
these will be like.
You getting all of them?
Huh?
I think the orange one's $5.
Yeah. Because there's some burners that I had, like the orange one. It's got this is how it looks. See how it looks like this? So that's why I said $5.
Okay.
Kind of cheap, but these are not. So because I bought them for her because she said she wanted burners. I didn't order a case of burners or nothing like that.
Okay.
So, but anyway, the mango butter.
Mango butter, and then it was.
So you're gonna do the burning oil?
Yeah.
Okay.
The burning oil.
So it'd be the orange, this one, and then this one, the yellow. This is the one I bought.
So I gotta buy candles for it.
Tea light, a tea light. Yeah. Damn. Let me see if I got one in my car. He gave me one to start it.
Why is he recording?
Oh,
because I do videos for my business.
Yeah,
Are you shying camera? Yeah, I do YouTube. He was like, why is he recording? Yep, I do YouTube. So people know. I just show my day sometimes with YouTube. And
it's really cool.
so that's what I do. People already know me from that. So I'm at the laundromat today.
Okay, wait, I gotta get my.
But I'm gonna go make it up. So you want the? Are you doing? I don't understand. Are you doing the? What size are you doing? Are you doing the plastic?
No, the regular.
So you want to burn body oil?
Yeah.
Okay.
Body oil.
I'll give you a sample of a burning oil because you know you could do all the oils, but if you want to burn, you want red door?
Yeah, red door.
Okay, red door and mango butter.
Yeah, and then there was another one. Like you made it up. It's not.
We
really
mixed
pretty.
it.
Yeah, you mixed it. It was for my friend.
Was it a man?
Yeah, it was for me. I don't know. It smells so good. But I don't have nobody now. So. I mean, it's
Do
a
you
good
want the
thing.
real man?
Yeah.
You still do?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was like.
So
it was,
I'll bring like 2 men in, one real strong and then one light.
Okay.
I'll bring it for you, and then the mango butter.
Okay.
What size bottles did you get? Are you doing the drams?
Yeah.
Which ones, Christine?
It was the
short ones?
The short ones. Yeah.
How many of drams do you want of those?
How many is 35?
Okay, you do 5 for 35?
Yeah.
Okay, and then the dram. Mango butter, a man one, red door. Do you like angel? I'll bring 2 samples in for you. Okay, I'll be back. The laundry mat.